What if I told you that waking up at 5 a.m. could make you smarter, wealthier, and even live longer? Sounds like a scam, right? Well, let's talk facts. A study from Harvard found that early risers are more proactive, more disciplined, and better at problem solving. The American Psychological Association reports that morning people experience 10 to 25% higher productivity levels compared to night owls. And get this, research from the University of Toronto shows that early risers are happier and less likely to develop depression than late sleepers. But here's the real shocker. Most people fail at waking up early because they make a critical mistake. Let's break it down. Why does waking up early even matter? Your body runs on a circadian rhythm, a natural 24-hour clock that controls when you feel awake and when you feel tired. MIT neuroscientists found that waking up early aligns your body with natural daylight, boosting dopamine and serotonin, the chemicals that control motivation and happiness. And here's a wild fact. The US Army discovered that soldiers who wake up before 6 a.m. have 30% higher cognitive function than those who wake up later. But what if you're a night owl? Are you doomed? Nope. Scientists at the University of Birmingham found that even extreme night owls can reset their body clocks in just 3 weeks. But first, what's stopping you from waking up early? Most people think waking up early is just about setting an alarm. Wrong. The real reason people struggle is that they don't fix their sleep cycle. Stanford researchers found that if you sleep fewer than 6 hours, your brain function drops by 20% the next day. And if you get less than 5 hours, your reaction time is the same as someone who's legally drunk. So how do you fix this? You need a nighttime shutdown routine. Let's build the perfect one. To wake up at 5 a.m. feeling amazing, follow these science-backed steps. 1. No screens. 90 minutes before bed. Harvard researchers found that blue light suppresses melatonin by 50%. 2. Lower your room temperature to 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius. The National Sleep Foundation says this is the ideal temperature for deep sleep. 3. Eat protein 2 hours before bed. Johns Hopkins researchers found that protein helps regulate melatonin better than carbs. 4. Go to bed at the same time every night. Consistency improves sleep quality by 30%, according to Oxford University. Stick to this and your body will wake up at 5 a.m. automatically. But what if you still feel exhausted in the morning? Let's fix that. Ever wake up but feel like your bed is a black hole sucking you back in? Here's how to fix it. Put your alarm across the room. Forces you to get up. Science-backed hack. Drink a full glass of water immediately. Your body loses 1 liter of water overnight, causing morning grogginess. Get sunlight within 10 minutes. Sunlight stops melatonin production and boosts cortisol, waking you up. And here's the wildest trick. Give yourself a reason to wake up. People who set a goal for their morning are 78% more likely to succeed at waking up early. So, what should you actually do at 5 a.m.? Most people wake up early and do nothing. That's why you need a 5 a.m. action plan. The first 30 minutes of your day decide your success. Here's what high performers do. 5 minutes. Hydration and light movement. Increases oxygen flow to the brain by 20%. 15 minutes. Planning the day. Writing down 3 goals makes you 42% more likely to achieve them, according to a Dominican University study. 10 minutes. No phone, no distractions. The first dopamine hit you get in the morning shapes your focus for the whole day. But how do you stay productive all day? Waking up early is useless if you waste your time. Here's what the top 1% of performers do. Use the 90-minute work cycle. The University of Minnesota found that people who work in focused 90-minute blocks are 40% more productive. Eat a high-protein breakfast. Boosts brain function by 25%, according to the Journal of Nutrition. Eliminate distractions. A single notification can drop your IQ by 10 points, according to the University of London. But how do you make waking up early a permanent habit? Success isn't about motivation, it's about systems. Here's how to make this a permanent habit. Set a non-negotiable bedtime. Missing sleep 2 nights in a row increases sleep debt by 35%. Track your progress. Habit tracking increases consistency by 60%. Find an accountability partner. Studies show that telling someone your goal makes you 65% more likely to achieve it. And here's why you should start tomorrow. Let's drop some real data. CEOs wake up early. 90% of executives wake up before 6 a.m., Harvard Business Review. Early risers make more money. A Texas University study found they earn $15,000 more per year on average. Morning people are happier. A University of Toronto study found they have 10 to 25% lower stress levels. So are you ready to wake up at 5 a.m.? Let's recap. 1. Fix your nighttime routine. No screens, cool room, early sleep. 2. Wake up with purpose. Hydrate, move, plan your day. 3. Use science-backed energy hacks, sunlight, dopamine control. 4. Stay productive. 90-minute work blocks, no distractions. 5. Make it a habit. Track progress. Stay accountable. If you follow these steps, waking up at 5 a.m. will change your life. But can you do it for 7 days? Let me know in the comments if you're ready.